In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack's new AI-powered Slackbot to boost your daily productivity. This is a quick and practical walkthrough designed to help you get started right away. If you use Slack regularly for team communication, updates, and daily tasks, this new assistant can help you save time and stay organized without leaving your workspace. To begin, open your Slack app on your computer or launch Slack in your web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, look at the top of the screen and find the search bar. This is one of the main places where you can quickly access Slackbot and start interacting with its AI features. Next, click on the Slackbot icon if it appears, or simply type a query directly into the search bar. Doing this will open a direct chat with your new assistant. Think of this chat as your private space to ask questions, generate text, and manage small tasks more efficiently. It's designed to feel simple and familiar, so you can start using it with almost no learning curve. Once the chat is open, you can ask Slackbot to help you catch up on work. For example, type a request like summarize this channel or recap my unread messages. This is especially useful when you've been away from your desk, joined a conversation late, or just want a faster overview instead of reading every message one by one. It can help you get the main points quickly and focus on what matters most. You can also use Slackbot to draft text, ask it to write an announcement, or help refine a message before you post it to a public channel. This is a great way to improve clarity, save editing time, and make sure your message sounds polished and professional before others see it. Another helpful feature is reminders. In the Slackbot chat window, type a phrase such as remind me to make a call at 3 p.m. This gives you a fast way to stay on top of tasks without switching to another app. Simple reminders like this can make a big difference during a busy workday. Finally, take a moment to explore the advanced suggestions Slackbot offers. At the bottom of the chat window, you may see prompt buttons that suggest useful actions or ideas. These can help you discover more ways to use the assistant, especially if you're not sure what to try next. And that's all it takes to get started with the new Slackbot. Try these features today, and you may find it becomes one of the easiest ways to save time and work more efficiently in Slack.